Welcome to the Slow English podcast at the place where emotions and English meet slowly. Today's episode is all about sadness, but also connection. We're going to explore real phrases used by native speakers when they don't feel okay. So grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's begin. In English, we don't always say, I'm sad. Instead, we say things like, I feel like I'm falling apart. I'm not myself lately. This is the last straw. These phrases carry emotion. They say more than just words. They say, I need you to understand. Let me tell you about Maya. She worked hard, smiled often. But inside, she was tired, lost. One day, someone asked her, Are you okay? She said, Honestly, I'm barely holding it together. That moment changed something. She didn't need to say more. The phrase said it all. Let's practice together. Imagine this conversation. Hey, you've been quiet. What's going on? I don't know. I just feel like I'm falling apart. Do you want to talk about it? Not really. I'm just not myself lately. Anything I can do? I think this is just the last straw. Today, you learned how to express sadness like a native. Not with perfect grammar, but with real words, real feelings. And if you feel like Mia today, remember, even a simple phrase can open the door to connection. Thanks for listening to Slow English. Subscribe for more stories, more feelings, and more English. And tell me in the comments, what phrase touched your heart today?